Okay, my pretty girls, I don't know how many days are left until summer, but I know we are T-minus at least 30 days. So whatever body you got is what we going into the summer with. So if you got to make up with it with your flawless lace, your nails, your hair, and all of that, that's what we're going to have to do. Today I've teamed up with ISEE Hair. They sent over this gorgeous, silky straight, upgraded 9x6 wear and go lace wig. She has the wear and go cap construction, and it's like an M cap technology. I'll be sharing that with you guys as well as 3 different styles. So let's go ahead and get started. Jumping right into it, this is our gorgeous girl here. As I mentioned, we are going with the 9x6 lace wig in the texture straight. For starters, I'm going to show you guys what was in my package. We had all these goodies. All this was tucked away in a bonnet. We got this little nice package of mink lashes. You get 3 sets. You also get your brown wig caps. Of course, you can go ahead and buff foundation. And they even included the HD wig caps. So this package here is a little bit of language on the M cap, which I'll be sharing with you in just a moment. And then here is a little pouch, and inside they included an extra adjustable elastic band as well as some extra wig combs. The one that comes inside is red and it says wear and go. So if you want something a little bit more discreet, the black is a great option. And then also they included a mock-up, or basically a extra wig cap, so that I can show you guys all of the detail. For starters, all of the combs inside are removable. There's 1 large one in the back and 2 on the side. They also included the adjustable elastic band as mentioned, and then you also get your 9x6 M cap lace. So this is what it looks like on, and you guys can see that M design along the hairline. This is what you get with your pre-cut lace, and look how beautiful, flat, and flawless it lays. Even from the side, there is no bulk. This one here fits you like a scully cap. It literally fits you like a glove, and this is why you're able to wear this one 100% glueless. So let's jump into mine. This is mine here, and again, it's the same construction as the cap we just tried on. You guys can see it is a pre-everything wig, so the pre-cut lace, pre-bleached knots, as well as the pre-plucked hairline. You also get that removable comb in the back as well as 2 on the sides, and you do get the little cover on top which gives you instructions. Here's a little quick tutorial of one of the mini ones on the side. You can remove it, and as you can see, there are 2 grooves there, so you can put it right back. So if you just want to take them out for a specific time but you want to put them back like when you travel, you have that option. Then you can also adjust the straps on that adjustable elastic band, or you can remove it altogether. And this is what the wig looks like on. So as you guys can see, clearly this one is beautiful. It's literally a wear and go wig. You can put it on, brush it, and walk out the door, and you will literally still look better than most. So if you're running out of the door on the weekend and you have somewhere to go, this is my go-to for being able to literally put the wig on and be out the door in 10 minutes and still get compliments. Or imagine having to go on vacation. You guys know we wait to the minute to do everything. You can put this one on right before leaving at the airport, and you can, add your little styles and your flair once you get to the resort or the island, wherever you're going. But again, you can trust that you can put this one on and literally brush it and walk out the door. Here I'm showing you guys that 9x6 cap construction. You can definitely move the part over however you like, which I'm going to be doing a couple styles for you today. Something that I can mention to you guys is that 9x6 is one of the largest HD lace cap constructions for this type of wig and technology, so you definitely get your bang for your buck when it comes to the parting space. Here I'm showing you guys we're not going to be bonding it down. We're going to be wearing this one 100% glueless. So here I'm showing you guys all you have to do is add a lace tint of your choice to the hairline, and it's already melted. From there, I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of my dynamic duo. You guys know I can't live without this step, and this is just going to make the wig look like we left the salon. So that wax stick is going to go in and just lay everything flat, add a little shine, cancel any frizz, and just make it all look really good. You pair that with a little bit of heat, and you are literally looking like you paid $1 million to get your hair done. So I do this along the hairline as well as along the parting, and it literally gives you the most sleek, perfect, flawless finish look. It does take me a lot of time to do this. I do really go in and make sure everything is flat, and then once I'm done, I go in and I just add a little bit of a cream foundation to the parting space, and this is going to really make it blend with my own custom skin tone. From there, we can pull the hair back and begin to work on those sideburns. So my sideburns are pretty full at the moment, and I love that for me in real life, but when it comes to wearing wigs, you definitely want a good, nice, strong hold, edge control that can tame your edges so that your hairline can blend, especially when it comes to closure wigs. I went ahead and did that for me, and then I added a melt belt on top so everything can just melt on its own. Here I'm just using a little bit of a dry oil. When it comes to adding oil to your hair, especially straighter looks, you definitely don't want to go to the kitchen and get your olive oil or your coconut oil. A dry oil is a perfect oil because it'll give you that shine, that sleek look. It'll help to silk out your hair when you're doing a good silk press, but it won't weigh the hair down. It'll literally absorb, give it a nice smell, a nice shine, and again, it won't weigh the hair down at all. So I went ahead and silk pressed this side, and you guys can see how beautiful and silky the texture of this hair is. Always make sure you do a little bit of heat passes in the back as well, so you can be 100% flawless and not clockable at all. I went ahead and repeated that step on the opposite side, and of course we got nothing but flawless looks. And then I went ahead and added a little bit more of that product to the top to make everything match. And now we are literally ready to go. Like, the hair is absolutely done. But of course, as promised, I'm going to give you a couple different styles with this one just so you can have some ideas of some quick and easy beginner friendly looks you can do. Here is a look of how the hair looks when you remove that milk belt. Now, you guys know it's eating me up inside. I want to add some baby hair, but again, a lot of you prefer, baby hair looks. So I wanted to make sure you guys can see how beautiful this is and how much you just don't need the baby hair at all with a wig like this. I'm super happy and geeked up, but now let's go ahead and try another style. So you guys can see I love to like pull the hair back and do a flip over, and as I'm showing you guys, I adjust the wig. It is not sprayed down, bonded down. No adhesive is bonding it or keeping it melted at all. So the next style on the agenda is just a simple curved or C-curved side part. Now this is a simple and easy, and as you guys can see, I was doing the flick of the wrist motion because really that's what it takes. You flick that wrist really good with that red tail comb in hand, and you'll get a nice perfect C part every single time. I'm going to take the dynamic duo and kind of re-stamp out the parting as a side part. Now typically I would not use so much wax stick on my wig at one time, but again, this was all about show and tell and showing you guys my style. If I do a center part, typically I commit, and then when I'm ready to switch my parting up, especially if I'm going to be using product, I would typically go in and wash and dry the wig first. But again, I'm showing you guys the versatility of the wig, and you don't even have to do that. It's not going to look oily or melted down at all. Now with this style, I do prefer to make it super C-curved and then add a little bit of baby hair in the front. So I'm just showing you guys, you can go no baby hair, you can add baby hair. With different styles, you can do different things and switch it up. Even if I want to go back to center part and no baby hair, I'll be able to part it down the middle, and I'll be able to put the hair that I pulled out as baby hair back with a little wax, and it'll be like the baby hair never happened. Look at how beautiful and flat and sleek this one looks as a side part. Now we can pull it forward, and you guys can see you can add layers or wear it like forward and straight. But I'm going to go ahead and do a ode to the 90s. An ode to the 90s, paying homage to the, styles we did back in the day. We all thought we were punk rockers with our hair styled like this and pinned back just like this with our little mini skirts and the denim jean jackets and all of the colorful accessories and our skater looks and all of the above. Now with this style, I am going to make the baby hair match and do one on the opposite side, and then add just a little bit more lace tint to make everything match. Get a load of how I don't have any lace tint on that side of the parting, and look how beautiful it already blends. But of course, we're going to make it perfect and add a little bit more of that lace tint, which is simply a cream foundation, and we are literally good to go. And again, we're still 100% glueless. Look at how beautiful that looks, and this style actually looks really good on me. I really like it. Here I'm showing you guys that the hair does hold a curl. Now it is nice and silky. I do prefer to do curls when the hair is a little bit more old because it'll hold the curl a little bit better. When the hair is fresh and silky, just add a little bit of oil or like a hairspray and it'll hold perfectly. And voila, my friends, I added a little bit of light hold hairspray and we have this beautiful look. So you guys can see you got multiple looks for me in once, and we still are out of the door super quick and easy. So this is the perfect wig when you're traveling. You'll be able to go from bust down middle part to a side part baddie. You can add curls for a sexy night out. You can even pull it back and still keep it 100% glueless, all the while you are looking fine and flawless with this lace. So I'll have all of the details on that M cap construction. This beautiful wear and go wig is linked in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.